these are examples of TonWallet, like Tonkeeper, like MyTonWallet. But specifically, I'm going to be talking about Tonkeeper and MyTonWallet. The reason is because it is very popular. Most people use it, and it is common among people who do daily transactions. I don't know, probably because it is fast, easy to use, and user interface is very friendly. So these are the major Ton wallet I'm going to be talking about today. You might have other Ton wallets that you are using. You can also list them in the comment section for other people to try it out. So now let's get straight into the video. Let's talk about how to do transactions and how Ton wallet actually works. So just now I've opened this wallet, which is called my Tonkeeper wallet. This is Tonkeeper wallet. I'm also going to open the other Ton wallet, which is called my Ton wallet. So this is my Ton wallet, and the other one is Tonkeeper. So this is my Ton wallet. This is how it's actually look like. Where this one is my this one is Tonkeeper. So quickly, I'm going to be talking about the interface before I show you how to download it and the step-by-step things you need to know. So for example, this is how to send. If you want to send Ton from one person to another, this is to receive Ton from somebody, or maybe receive Ton from somebody. You can also send to somebody. So if you want to receive Ton from somebody, for example, the person will request for your own wallet. You click on receive here, you copy your wallet and give it to the person. Then the person will be able to receive, will be able to send Ton to your wallet, and it's going to display here once the person send. You can also click here to copy your wallet. As I'm clicking here, you can see I'm able to copy my wallet as I'm clicking here. So someone just told me sent now, as you can see on the notification. And if I'm going to refresh it now, you're going to see someone send me a crypto. I think it's on that Ton wallet also. So let's see as time goes on. So now if you look at this Ton wallet, you can see this is actually Ton here. This is actually USDT. You know, there are different kind of network in USDT. There's USDT BEP20 network, and there's USDT TRC20, and there's also USDT under Ethereum, which is ERC20. So there are different networks of USDT. Just like I said, BEP20, TRC20, and ERC20. There are also different other networks. So now this USDT you are looking at here is under Ton, which is Ton. That is the USDT under Ton. So if you want to send USDT to this wallet, you have to send USDT under Ton, no matter the kind of exchange you are using, except you are using other exchanges like maybe it's Tonkeeper or Ton wallet. So it is still under Ton, as you all know. So now, so just now you can see this is what the person sent to me. Can you see? This is 3 Ton. Can you see that it is received today? If you remember, my former balance is going to increase now once I refresh here. You can see I currently have 11 Ton. So for the person to be able to send to me, I copied my address and I give it to the person. The person also go to his own Ton wallet app. Can you see that it has already increased because more Tons has been sent? So to see your history, you are going to come to this place. That is where you are going to see your history. So these are the older histories. So the person actually comes to this part, which is send. The person click on send. The person pastes my wallet address, and then the person put the amount of Ton he or she wants to send. So if you are sending 1 Ton, for example, you click 1 here. If you look down here, you will see USDT. This is the worth in dollars. If you know that you don't know the worth in Ton, as you can see, this is the worth in Ton, then you can actually change it to dollars, changing it from here. Can you see that it's now showing in USD? If you change it here also, it will be changing in, it will be sending in Ton. But if you choose here, it will be sending in USD worth. For example, if you want to know how many Ton can I get with $10, you just put $10 here, because I've already changed it to dollars. $10. Can you see 10 USDT? That's $10. So you are going to be receiving up to 1.84 Ton, as you can see. But if you also click here, now 1.84 Ton will be equal to 10 USDT. So if you put 2 ton here, for example, put 2 ton here, you see how many USDT you are going to get in 2 tons. So it's worth 10.8 USDT. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. I'm trying to explain to you how to know the worth of your ton in dollars or in ton. So you can also come here to switch. You can switch, maybe it's USDT you want to send. You can see. You can also switch, maybe it's other coin you want to send. You can see that now. So that's how to switch to send a different coin. Or you can also come to this part here, because this is where all your coin is going to be. You can click here, then go to the send or copy the address to receive. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. What I'm trying to explain to you is that in this TonWallet, this is also a decentralized exchange, just like my previous video where I explained about the Solana blockchain, Solana apps like Phantom Wallet. So this is also just like Trust Wallet, which is decentralized exchange. As you can see, you do not need, in this kind of exchange that I'm explaining currently, which is the Ton, you do not need contract address. If you send any coin to this wallet, they enter into this wallet straight up and they display their own name. For example, if you send Notcoin here, Notcoin is also under Ton. If you send Notcoin here, then immediately Notcoin will just show down here. Do you understand that? So you don't need contract address to bring out Notcoin from this part. We just display the Notcoin, because as long as you send this is under Ton. Now let me show you an example. If I want to transfer anything, let's say USDT, I click on this Ton here. I've copied the address. Then I go to my BitGet app, for example. Like BitGet is very common. BitGet is just like Binance or Bybit. So these are centralized exchange which you register with your Gmail account and your password. So now this is my Gmail. My Gmail is already opened for me. So the next thing I want to do is that I want to send, say that this is my BitGet. I want to send USDT to this my TonWallet. Then you go to this part here. So if you come to BitGet, for example, and then you want to send, this is my TonWallet, for example. I'm putting my TonWallet here now. So this is the wallet I copy from my Tonkeeper. Then I'm going to click on this part here. You have to select Ton. You can see you have to select Ton. On Tonkeeper does not have memo, so you either leave this place empty or you can put anything you wish here. Also, this part here, which is withdrawal amount, put the amount you want to withdraw, and then you see the withdrawal fee. And if it doesn't, most of the time you don't have withdrawal fee, then click on withdrawal. So what I'm just trying to show you is that you have to select the network, which is Ton, before you can transfer to the Ton wallet. So now if you transfer to it, after a few minutes it's going to display here. So this is how this Ton wallet works. So people will be wondering, can I buy? This buy and sell part here is for different countries. The best thing is for you to be able to transfer to exchange like Bybit and sell it, or transfer to exchange like BitGet and sell it on P2P. That's the best thing I would advise you if you want to sell, or probably find a trusted vendor and then sell to them. For example, I also buy from people. If you send me cryptocurrency, I'll send you Naira. So I mostly deal with the Naira payment method. So I buy and I sell. That's an example. So now, other things you need to know, this is about this Tonkeeper. If you want to register Tonkeeper, you go to Play Store first. Go to Play Store. Then look for Tonkeeper. This is Tonkeeper here. And then you'll find Tonkeeper here. So this is Tonkeeper. Or then you'll find MyTonWallet. Or just find MyTonWallet. You'll find MyTonWallet. So on MyTonWallet, then you'll be able to see this. So you can see that is MyTonWallet. So now the next thing is, how do you use MyTonWallet? I just explained Tonkeeper, but another thing I want you to explain under Tonkeeper, I want you to understand under Tonkeeper is that in Tonkeeper also you can have multiple Tonkeeper accounts. So you can also change the name. If you come to this place, you could customize the name or image that you want to put on it. So if you come to this part also, you see different wallets here. So you can also add new wallet. Click on new wallet. So you can import. And in this kind of wallet, these are the centralized exchange whereby you don't need emails or password. What you need is your recovery phrase. So make sure you save your recovery phrase. It is very important. So if you are creating new account, for example, as you are seeing it here, or if you are having old accounts, you just import your recovery phrase through this part here. So if you create new accounts, come to this part here, then you can enable notification or not. then you put the name of the wallet, and it is going to ask you for other things. Then you, as after accepting it, it's going to show you your recovery phrase, then you can use it easily. And another thing I want you to also know is the MyTonWallet. In your MyTonWallet, once you click and open MyTonWallet, it also has the option to send, it has the option to swap, it has the option to add. That option to add is also called receive. This one also have the option to swap, which is the Tonkeeper. It has the option to swap, whereby you can swap from one coin to another. I hope you understand that. For example, Hamster Combat is under Ton, Notcoin is under Ton. You could actually swap it to Ton, or you could swap it to you can see, as you can see here. So this is the current one that is here. This is Ton, and this is the amount of Ton I have, which is 14 tons. And I could actually just come to this part here and then click on USDT. Then you click here, then you receive. Then you receive the amount. Can you see? It will give me 19 USDT. Or you can change here. If you don't want USDT, you can actually change it here to any other one. Maybe Notcoin. Let me find if I could see Notcoin here. Can you see this is Notcoin actually? So this amount of Notcoin I'm going to receive currently with 14 ton. You can also click here to change the amount of ton you want to spend. For example, if you want to spend maybe like 1 ton instead, can you see the amount that you're going to receive now? So that is all about that under Tonkeeper. So now let's go back to MyTonWallet. Also, MyTonWallet has the option to add, so you can copy the address here also from MyTonWallet if you want to send to MyTonWallet. Then here is also the address if you want to send, and this is the scan code. And here is if you want to receive, sorry, this is if you want to receive. If you want to send to somebody, you click on the send button, get the person's wallet address, put it here, and put the amount you want to send. So if you put here, for example, 1 ton, you see the amount equivalent in dollars. You can also come here to change if you want to send Notcoin, if you want to send any other coin you have, just like I said. And there are some coin that some that usually have memo. For example, let me show you an example of the ones that have memo, because some ton wallets, or let me say some exchange usually have memo. So in case you want to send, if you click on the send, and it will ask you for memo here, for example, for memo, and then the memo is very important. So let me show you an example. So now this is an example of Ton wallets that has memo. As you can see, this is the wallet of USDT under Ton, and this is the memo. And as you can see that they said you must correctly fill in the MEX deposit address and the memo tag. That means it is very important for you to put the memo. If you don't put the memo, you could actually lose your coin, as you can see there. So sometimes memo is very important in some exchange, and that is why you have to read the instruction before you receive or send to anybody. So now these are the explanation about the Ton wallet, as you can see here. So currently you can also know the amount or the worth of Ton through your Ton wallet. As you can see here, this is the current worth of Ton. Now you can see this is the date here. And now you can see Ton has a little bit increased. Using your Tonkeeper also, you can know the worth of Ton by checking this part here. You can see the amount of increase that's already made. So I hope today you'll be able to understand. You have been able to understand how Ton wallet works. So if you are watching my video, or you are seeing my video for the first time, please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends.